They gave me a chart for solving my problems. It's so kind. Oh, there's stuff over here. I feel like I'm just surprises everywhere. Okay. Okay, so this is the pedal, and this is the charger. Not the charger, the plug-in thingy. That. Now I'm gonna get the foam off. Isn't that just music to your ears? In all of her glory. This is my new kid. Look how many stitches she can do. This is really cool. It has a compartment at the top. And look at that. Now let's see what all's over here. Okay, so little haul. We have 16 colors of thread. Beautiful. I already bought a bunch of thread though. And 16 bobbins. I also already just bought a bunch of bobbins, but the more the merrier. 5 spare needles. I've got tape I can't pull it out right now. A measuring tape. I can go with my pink one. A thimble that I won't use, but I'll have it. It's the thought that counts. Another threader. Another seam ripper. And a teeny tiny pair of scissors. I have this box that I'm gonna put all my thread in. It looks like a book, isn't that cute? I'm gonna put all my thread in there. That's all the thread that I bought from the Hava Lava. Lesbians! And that's what the thread the machine came with. And that goes down there. This is my brand new organizer for this stuff. I'm gonna put my bobbins in here. I had to split it into 2. This is where all the extra funky gadgets go. I have fabric. Now we're gonna thread the machine. Bye!